August 22, 2011, Xinjiang Zhentong Industrial Company Limited was separated from China National Petroleum Corporation and restructured. After that, it has become a key municipal private enterprise in Karamay. After years of rapid development, its enterprise scale and profitability have been increased year by year. Its risk resistance capacity and core competitiveness have been promoted steadily, and its oilfield technical service level has been improved continuously. The company has set up one R&D center, 2 geophysical prospecting department, 35 drilling teams, 2 fracturing teams, 4 well logging teams, 8 mud logging teams, 2 oil testing teams, and 5 well workover teams, and 1 surface construction subsidiary. All the construction teams have the qualification certificates of the corresponding industries and have the capability for the engineering, procurement, and construction of the integrated development of the blocks in oil and gas fields. Zhentong Geophysical Prospecting Department has 2 crews and 2 set instruments, model SN428 from French Sercel Company, 12 set low-frequency 28-ton vibrators, model BLF620 from Beiyao Company. Acquisition capacity is 10,000 channels. Annual operation capacity can be 2,000 kilometers for 2D and 1,000 square kilometers for 3D. Zhentong Drilling Company is able to independently complete various types of oil and gas drilling projects. In addition, it has the construction capacity and experience towards horizontal wells, directional wells, and underbalance wells. The annual workload fulfilled by it has reached over 1 million meters, and the number of wells completed by it is more than 800. Besides the over 1.5 billion RMB output value, it has more than 20 years of drilling history. The construction work areas extend all over Dzongar Basin, Tarim Basin, and Mongolia, and it will march towards the markers of Kazakhstan, Pakistan, and Iran. The well cementing operations towards approximately more than 10,000 wells have been fulfilled by it cumulatively. As for the well cementation, its qualification rate is 100% and premium rate is 90%. It has provided the directional well and horizontal well services for more than 300 wells. The qualification rate of the well tracks is 100%. Zhentong Logging Company boasts the internationally advanced well logging equipment. The 4 well logging teams are executing the construction in Mongolia, Kazakhstan, and Ministry of Land and Resources respectively. It can independently complete the well logging, testing, and perforating operations. Besides, as for the various onshore vertical holes, directional wells, cluster wells, horizontal wells, and slot wells, it can undertake the tasks such as well logging of open holes, well logging of cased holes, perforating of oil wells, sidewall coring, as well as processing and analysis of well logging data. It can process and interpret the well logging data of nearly 300 wells annually. Zhentong Geological Logging Company is a professional company engaged in the oil and gas geological logging. It boasts a compound logging instrument at the international advanced level. Besides, it possesses the equipment like geochemical logging instrument and quantitative fluorescence logging instrument. Currently, it has 8 borehole logging teams. For the onshore oil and gas drilling, it can provide the technical services including conventional geological logging, compound logging, research well drilling, engineering monitoring, core scanning, post-drilling assessment, hydrocarbon reservoir evaluation, and underground geological comprehensive study, and so on. The annual logging footage reaches 200,000 meters. Zhentong Fracturing Company boasts 12 2000 type fracturing trucks with superior performance, as well as the corresponding equipment, including the manifold trucks, measuring trucks, fracturing blender trucks, sand tank trucks. It can simultaneously implement the construction operations on 1 to 3 working phases. The annual construction capacity is about 1,000 welds and layers. The construction displacement can reach more than 10 cubic meters per minute, and the construction pressure can reach 100 megapa. The proppant concentration can reach 55%. It can conduct the fracturing towards the vertical welds, directional welds, and horizontal welds. The Fracturing Institute that the company is affiliated to boasts the capability to compile fracturing schemes, prepare the fracturing fluid, as well as design and construct with the downhole tools and so on. Zhentong Productivity Testing Company has 3 main teams who are conducting the construction at Broad and in the South Xinjiang respectively. It is mainly engaged in the comprehensive technical service work, including the productivity testing, production testing, well testing, and hydrocarbon reservoir reformation of the exploration and development wells, and formation testing, and so on. It boasts the operation equipment and testing tools at international advanced level. It can undertake the oil testing and gas testing in vertical wells, directional wells, and horizontal wells among the exploration wells, appraisal wells, and development wells. It has the corresponding well test interpretation software and teams. Zhentong Well Workover Company boasts various workover rigs and the supporting workover tools, including XJ160 and XJ135. It has the operational capability of the major overhaul with a well depth within 7,000 meters and the minor overhaul with a well depth within 8,500 meters. It covers the workover fields, including milling for casing failure, window sidetrack drilling, directional wells or horizontal wells, repairing for casing damages, reparation for the cement job quality, as well as pipe string and borehole fishing, and so on. The main businesses of Zhentong Oilfield Construction Company are the construction of the highway and bridge projects, as well as the oilfield ground construction projects. It boasts more than 120 main mechanical devices for the construction of various highways. Its comprehensive construction ability has been significantly improved. Its highway and bridge company has won the Class II qualification for the general construction contracting of highway projects, issued by the Department of Construction of Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, as well as the corresponding qualifications for the oilfield construction. It can undertake the construction of the highway projects of Class I standard and under Class I standard. Zhentong Research and Development Center is composed of Drilling and Well Completion Fluid Experiment Research Lab, Drilling and Well Completion Tool Research Lab, Well Completion and Stimulation Measure and Process Research Lab, Oil Gas Field Exploration and Development Research Lab, and Oil Production Process Research Lab. Besides, it boasts 8 independent patent technologies, which reserves advanced technical experience and design achievements for the oil gas field exploration and development. The company has invested in the mineable oil sand industry, which has entered the development stage currently. There are 2 mining ways. One is open pit mining, and the other is oil well mining. That is, the mining way of double pipe parallel horizontal well, SAGD. According to the plan, the construction scale will reach 500,000 tons within 3 years. Everybody has the chance to become a talent, and everybody has his own arena. Zhentong Industrial Company Limited boasts a management and technical team of more than 500 people, whose education backgrounds all reach junior college and the above. Besides, the company actively implements the strategy of developing the enterprise through talents. It has established the sophisticated human resources management and development system. It has attracted the talents from various places by its strong cohesion to realize their dreams and make some accomplishments here. With strong personality, people can uphold morality and justice. With a great aspiration, people can compose splendid chapters. Under the new situation, the company will be vigorously engaged in the oil-gas field exploration and development. On the basis of the invested mineable oil sand projects, the company invests the fields of shale gas, coal bed gas, and petroleum chemicals. It has cultivated new profit growth points and realized the diversified development.
我们振东公司历经2次改制，风风雨雨几十年，从一个单一的不足1元的企业，发展到目前一体化的、国际化的、综合性的油田服务企业。我们公司实施的4大战略是人才战略、资本战略、海外战略和创新战略。实质发展，追求卓越，厚德载物，政通人和。发展是我们生存的基础，和谐是发展的灵魂。感谢历史上、现在和未来支持、关心我们的朋友们和同仁们。
The grand prospect has been drawn. With the dream and pursuits of all staffs in Zhentong Industrial Company Limited, the company will set the sail. With more strenuous and promising spirits, the company will advance to the rapid, the capricious market to create a more splendid and brilliant future by making great efforts.